I request Chief Guest Sir and Ma'am to do the honors. Let's give these dear children a big round of applause. We have the following children from class 1. Krish Manoj, most interactive in class. Monisha, yes, most disciplined. Yugamitran, yes, subject topper Tamil, English, Maths, Science and class topper. Discipline, Sagithian subject topper, Tamil and class topper. Discipline, Jasim Ahmed is subject topper Maths, Rudresh K subject topper English and Science, Sana Fatima M most interactive in class. Let's encourage our children with our applause. Let us welcome our children from class 3. Diyashri M, most disciplined. Roshni M, most interactive in class. Sadhana P, subject topper Tamil Science. Visagar G, Maths. Zia S, subject topper English, Social and class topper. Class topper and 100% attendance. Kanishtika D 100% attendance. Krishna M subject topper social and most disciplined. Also from class 4, Madhushri K 100% attendance. Srinivasi most interactive in class. Vivekanandan KV subject topper science. Show these kids with your love and happiness by clapping for them. Opening the stage for children from class 5. Arun Kumar R, most disciplined. Krishna S, subject topper Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social, class topper. Ramya Sundari VM, most interactive in class. From class 6, Bhavashri R, subject topper Tamil, Diksha V, most interactive in class, Dharani Adav SV, subject topper English, Maths and class topper. Also from class 6, DIS, subject topper social, Madhurya B, subject topper science, Monish Kumar R, most disciplined. Here are children from Anand Kumar A, public address maintenance and subject topper social. Danush R, 100% attendance. Kirti Priya TS, subject topper Tamil, English, Science and class topper. Continue clapping for these children on stage. Few more students from class in Big public address maintenance. Gautam T, most interactive in class. Srinidhi TS, subject topper Maths and most discipline. Srinisha K, 100% attendance. Yutika P, 100% attendance. stage from class 8. Bhavadarini R, subject topper Maths. Hemalata V, 100% attendance. Karthik Ganesh R, most interactive in class. Mukesh G, 100% attendance. Pavitra K, 100% attendance. Riyas Roshan S, public address maintenance. நல்ல கை தட்டலாமே. Following are 100% attendance. Soumya R, most disciplined. Sudarshan S, subject topper Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social and class topper. Here are children from class 9. Aditi Shilog R, 100% attendance. Arshia M, 100% attendance. Mogat Singh J, public address maintenance. Nityashi S, most interactive in class. More students from class 9 follows. Pavitra S, volunteer. Sadhana V, subject topper Tamil, Maths, Science, Social and class topper. Bajit Basha K, public address maintenance. Subject topper English and most disciplined. Continue clapping for these children on stage. Next on stage are children from class 10. Akilan K, public address maintenance and 100% attendance. Arun Surya M, most interactive in class. Linesh S, subject topper Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social and class topper. Sahana R, most disciplined. Parents and audience, congratulate them by a big round of applause. Giving the stage to our stars of the evening. These children are the true reflection of the culture and values of Siva Shakti, from organizing everyday activities to special events. They have worked for not their personal gain, but for the common good of all children. Celebrating their strength, we now give prizes for the following categories: Assistant School People Leader and School People Leader. Dear parents, give your blessings them by way of big round of applause. School People Leader is the greatest honor of the school community, celebrating dedication, selflessness, hard work, commitment of Vajit Basha from class 9 as he receives the award for the School People Leader for the year 2023-24. Vajit Basha from class 9. I'm delighted to announce that our previous year school topper in the class 10 board exams has demonstrated remarkable commitment and achieved outstanding results that have brought immense pride to our school community. A journey to success are marked by countless hours of hard work, determination and unwavering focus. Though her dedication to her studies and her relentless pursuit of excellence, she has not only set a high standard for herself, but have also inspired her peers and the entire school community. I now welcome V. Joyce Josephat from our previous class 10, who secured 471 out of 500 and emerged as a school topper in the year 2022-23. Best outgrowing student with exceptional leadership, outstanding academic performance and remarkable contributions to our community, he has set a standard of excellence. This student embodies the values and spirit of our schools, inspiring peers and leaving a lasting impact. Congratulations on this well-deserved recognition for your dedication and achievements. Any guesses? It's my pleasure to announce Linesh S from class 10 as our school's best outgrowing student for the year 23-24. All the best, Linesh. பின்னே முகம் தெரியாமல் உழைக்கும் பல கரங்கள் உண்டு. அதில் இரு முகங்களை அறிமுகப்படுத்துவதில் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். முதலில் நம் பள்ளியில் அலுவலகம் தொடர்பான அனைத்து பணிகளும் முழுமையுடன் இருப்பதை உறுதி செய்வதற்கும் பெற்றோர் நிர்வாக உறவை சீராக பேணுவதற்கும் உங்களின் அனைத்து முயற்சிகளையும் நாங்கள் பாராட்டுகிறோம். வாருங்கள், எங்களுடைய அலுவலக பொறுப்பாளர் திருமதி முருகேஸ்வரி அவர்களே, உங்களுடைய 15 வருட சேவையை பாராட்டும் வகையாக இதோ ஒரு நினைவு பரிசு. நமது பள்ளியின் உதவியாளர் திருமதி பூங்கொடி அவர்களை மேடைக்கு அழைக்கிறேன். 5 வருடங்களாக எங்கள் துணை நின்று பொறுமை மற்றும் பேரன்போடு எங்களுக்கு பல உதவிகள் செய்வதற்கு நன்றி பாராட்டும் விதமாக ஒரு நினைவு பரிசு. I would thank immensely has become a part of our school history, and you have become part of all our happy memories, sir and ma'am. Kindly accept this small memento as a token of us to hand over the memento to both our chief guests. Thank you, everyone.